Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The Nautilus features a 48-inch panoramic digital display that spans the dashboard, integrating the instrument cluster, navigation, vehicle info, and customizable layouts. The 48-inch panoramic screen, showing speedometer, odometer, ADAS graphics, compass, turn signal views, and camera projections with selectable themes. The 2026 Lincoln Nautilus uses a piano key-style gear shifter, a row of tactile push buttons laid out horizontally that control park, reverse, neutral, and drive for the automatic transmission. The leather-wrapped wheel includes illuminated audio and voice control buttons, plus adaptive cruise and ProPilot assist controls for hands-on convenience. The Tri-Zone automatic climate control with microfilter keeps the driver, front and rear passengers comfortable in all conditions. The 2026 Lincoln Nautilus is powered by a standard turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light. Air conditioning system. Malfunction indicator lamp. Charging system indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Engine oil pressure warning light. Forward safety warning light. Seatbelt reminder indicator. Brake fluid, non-petroleum based. High temperature indicator. Anti-lock brake system indicator. Crash sensors and airbag indicator. Electric power steering system indicator. Vehicle stability assist system indicator. Vehicle stability assist off indicator. Low tire pressure or TPMS indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Turn signal and hazard warning indicators. Lights on indicator. High beam indicator. Auto high beam indicator. Fog light indicator. Front passenger airbag status light. Door ajar warning light. Cabin air filter indicator light. Check fuel cap indicator light. Low fuel level warning light. Master warning light. Child safety door lock or unlock indicator light. Child seat lower anchor indicator light. Lane safety indicator light. Lane centering indicator. Child seat tether anchor indicator light. Do not open when hot indicator light. Engine coolant indicator light. Explosive gas indicator light. Fan warning light. Flammable indicator light. Auto stop off indicator light. Auto stop indicator light. Fuel pump reset indicator light. Fuse compartment indicator light. Heated rear window indicator light. Hill descent control indicator light. Jack indicator light, keep out of reach of children. Parking aid indicator light, power steering fluid indicator light. Two-wheel drive high indicator light, four-wheel drive auto indicator light. Four-wheel drive high indicator light, four-wheel drive low indicator light. Cruise control indicator light, adaptive cruise control indicator light. Hill descent control indicator light, liftgate release or ajar indicator light. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.